hail Biafra, all hail Biafra, IPOB, one largest big family all over the world. I just want to give a short message and a short time. Ndị bodo manege muteke na munu ni asim ko yechiri ya zere bob ni na mbo ofesi ya maru no ma oka gumanu no woke ogu nwanne ndị Igbo and make no no when asim ko yechiri ya zere I just want to make a quick short statement about what Ekweremadu said when he reached home. Ekweremadu, I want to tell you, say, now one person you be. Don't forget about those people when you think say they follow you. They follow you. Now one person you be. When we are doing what we are doing to you in Germany, who rescued you? So now the same thing. Don't go Nigeria and talking nonsense. You insulted us again. You refer us as a miscreant. You refer us as a ndi manya upon what you passed through. If the German government refer us as a drunkard, are they going to tell us that no investigation and no arrest? But you fool, go back to that zoo, start behaving like a zoo again. No wahala, no wahala. I don't have the time because we prepared enough. We know who we are, we know what we are going to do very, very soon. But now I want to just tell my people where no they hear. My people where no one join IPOB and they don't want to also bring a tangible something that will help our people to be out of this slavery. I want to tell una, make una no regret wetin go fit happen if una stay silent as una silent now. Anywhere you are in all over the world, wake up, because now we have signed our death warrant. Five people each country to prepare to go to jail for Biafran to be restored. Because we understood that na oburu na nye egwuregwu unu agaghị ekunite n'ụra, ọbụ na emere ego esi wee wutunu anyị ga-ekunite n'ụra. But we prepared to be giving you people the food you people love to be eating. Wake up wherever you are. Do what you're supposed to do to restore our land. We don't like to stay in abroad. If you love it, you don't love it. So if you love it, stay away for this fighting to restore Biafra. Very, very important. Those governors, those actors and actresses, if you want, keep sleeping. We are coming. And I have watching now, yes. Manabiko munem keno na Biafra land. Please stay resolute. You know we are planning it together. Don't shake. Don't be deceived with these fools that don't even know who are who. They don't know who we are, but they will know very soon. We don't make mouth. We put everything in action. IPOB, one family. Or if I able, now waiting will be. I can command Mazu Okechukwu. If I know I now appeal what, only yife. Dollars cannot save you, man. Now we be people where we say if we enter road, everywhere we block. Common Boko Haram they block road. Nana Makalipali. What of from there is the idea. Them they use Ukraine when I roll. I don't want to tell no time I